All right, welcome back to REM Prompt. My name is Rex, and today we're going to talk about Copilot generating pictures for a white male college student standing on the pier. So I already got the prompt in Copilot, so I'm already sharing my screen. So I'm going to go ahead and run the prompt over here, and let's see what we get. Let's see if it runs. If not, I'm going to have to break it down in smaller pieces. Okay, here he is. So the prompt is, so you can see here we have one guy standing on a pier over the edge of the ocean. A white male athletic college student with long wavy brown hair and blue eyes wearing a tank top, standing on a pier over the ocean, posing with muscular arms folded in front of his chest. So he's not standing on the shoreline of a beach or anything. He's actually standing on a long, long pier over the water. And actually, there's another one. So did I save this? I like hitting the download. When you click on the download button, it downloads a copy of this picture to your downloads folder, usually a JPEG image. So there we got another one. So you see the prompt is very simple. So I always start out with draw a picture of, but it cuts the first four words off when it repeats the prompt on the screen. A white male athletic college student. So this is the type, the description of the person that I want to see in the image, with long wavy brown hair and blue eyes, wearing a tank top. So this is the description of the person standing on a pier over the ocean, posing with muscular arms folded in front of his chest. So again, I start out with the action, and I start out with the description. Who do I want in the picture? I want a white male athletic college student with long wavy brown hair and blue eyes. What is he doing? He's standing on a pier. Where is he? He's on a pier over the ocean. And what is he doing? He's posing with muscular arms folded in front of his chest. Why does he have muscular arms? Because I said he's an athletic college student. All right. So I could do two things right now. And this is again, this is the one thing that I really like about Copilot. Microsoft really is pushing everybody to learn how to have a conversation with Copilot. All this interaction, this is called a conversation. And what it does is once you generate one or a couple images, it comes up with these image suggestions for you, suggested prompts. So it says over here, add some seagulls in the background, change his expression to a confident smile, or make the ocean waves more prominent. So let's go ahead and pick one of these. I was about to type in and have him smile a little bit, but it already offers that as one of the options. So I'm going to click on that. So I wanted to have him smile a little bit instead of looking so serious. So let's go ahead and see what the Copilot does. Hopefully, we're going to have a smiling guy standing on a pier in the next couple of rendering. Here he is. I'm going to click on the first one, top left. There's our guy. He's still standing on a pier. And then you see over here how it changed the prompt. A white male athletic college student with long wavy brown hair, blue eyes, wearing a tank top, standing on the pier over the ocean, posing with muscular arms folded in front of his chest, and a confident smile. So it appends the tweak, the change to the prompt. And here's our guy. So I'm going to go ahead and download that. I'm going to click on the right arrow so then it cycles through to the next picture. So he's just a slightly different person. I'm going to go ahead and download that one as well. So these are four images, four different people, all based off of the same prompt, which is all pretty cool. Then later on, if I want to use this picture, if I need a picture of a guy standing on a pier over the ocean, um, I can look at these four and say, okay, which one do I like best? Which one do I want to use? And I can choose from any one of the four. I'm not stuck with just one picture. I can choose from one out of the four pictures. Okay, so then I can type in something, or I can say, hey, add some seagulls in the background, make the ocean waves more prominent, change his hairstyle to a messy bun. I can also say his hair is kind of long. Let's have his hair a little shorter. Can you make his hair shorter? I'm just going to type it in. Can you make his hair shorter? Make his hair shorter for me. That's it. I'm just typing in a question. Can you make his hair shorter? This is just part of me tweaking the prompt and telling AI, okay, you gave me these pictures, but can you do this? Can you do that? And it could say yes or it could say no. I'm getting 4 new pictures here. There he is. I got a new guy with his arms folded while standing on the pier, but now he's got short hair. Look at that. So I'm going to download this guy. I'm going to click on the right arrow. And I got a different guy with his arms folded. I got another guy. He looks a little happier. See, I got one more. There he is. When I click on download, the Edge browser downloads all the pictures to my downloads folder on my computer. Okay. Shall we just do one more? Change this hair to buzz cut. Make the ocean waves more. Add some seagulls in the background. Yeah, it makes it look more like a day on the ocean. Have some of those birds flying around instead of having all this open space in the background. You have a couple of those birds flying around. Makes it a nicer picture. Where are they? Oh, they're down here. Okay, we still got our guy with arms folded on the pier, short hair, and here are the seagulls. You can see the change in the prompt here. White male, lady college student, blah blah blah, on the pier with arms folded in the chest, with seagulls in the background. Here's another. This is good. See the seagulls over here? This is good. This is good too. You're all over the place. And we got one more. Let's see how the last one came out. Oh, they're all down here. They're all down there. They should have given his tank top a different. We can say that because he's got a white tank top and a light blue background. We could say, can you make his tank top? Should we do red? When you make his tank top red, let's see what we got. So it's still gonna keep everything else. We're gonna keep him. He's standing on the pier with seagulls in the background. He's got short hair, but all we want to do is we want to. Yeah, look at this. Here we go. Here's our guy standing on a pier with seagulls in the background and short hair, and he's wearing a red tank top. That's the only change we made, and we're getting 4 of them. So if we want this picture for a poster or slide or our art gallery, this is a good one. This is good. People walking on the pier over here, another pier going down over there, seagulls flying over here. His hair is blowing in the wind. This is very good picture of him standing over. He's like standing between 2 piers. It's very good picture. I like this picture a lot. And then you see here, here's the whole prompt. Normally I copy and paste the whole prompt and I paste this in my notepad. So a white male college student, blah, 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 confident smile with seagulls in the background. Oh, here, and wearing a red tank top. There it is. There it is where my mouse is. It's so, you see, I just make a small tweak and it changes the whole prompt. It does it automatically for me. All right. Very cool. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Rex and this is RAM Prompt. And I'll see you again in the next video. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. And thanks for watching. Till next time.